Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe for more updates, and leave your comment and questions below. I will be glad to answer it. So this video is based on one of these questions that MG has asked. Very important questions, very interesting. I already thought about it and analyzed it. Good thinking, MG. You start to think like real Elliott Wave analyst. The wave 1 here, the question is, what if this is a wave 1 and then this is a wave 2 hitting the 0.786 fib level for a wave 2 and moving down? Nice questions. So the answer is that everything is possible. Okay, first, everything is possible. Now, since we are trading possibilities, we want to trade the highest one, right? How you calculate your highest possibility? How you know what is your highest possibility that this is a corrective wave? To know, you have to go back to the history of this section, right? Where you have start this 3 waves towards the downside. Now, the question, are those 3 waves corrective or impulsive? So 1, 2, 1, 2, or A, B, C, and 1, 2 towards the upside. So to start reading it as impulsively, you want to read here a wave 1, where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then you have 4, 5, 4, 5. So you have to consider that this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Fine, this is a good impulse, starting with double 1, 2, finishing with double 4, 5. Perfect for a wave A, perfect for a wave 1 as well, right? Now after this, you got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? In that case scenario, if you are impulsive here, right, you cannot be also impulsive unless you are in a diagonal, right? If you are impulse, you want to see one another impulse as well, and then one another impulse, right? So here where it counts your possibility actually, where you might be in a diagonal, okay? Since if you want to consider these as motives waves, therefore you are in a diagonal with a 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 structures, okay? However, why the possibility is very, very low? Because you cannot have an impulse and suddenly a diagonal. Same as here, diagonal. And here is not a clear impulse as well. I mean, it is impulsive, but it's not a clear impulse. So the thing is, the possibility goes very, very low because it should be like only impulses, right? 5 impulses, no diagonals inside it. So this lowers so much the possibility that you are in a diagonal towards the downside. So this is, by the way, the most scary, more than a 1, 2. I'm going to explain why. So because of course you don't have several impulses, and you have one impulse, you have here diagonal possibly, and here another diagonal, here nobody knows what is that, right? It is just one wave. Okay, so here is the question now, the answer. Okay, if it is not diagonal, is it 1, 2, 1, 2? Okay, this one we already counted as 1 possibly. Now this one here, okay, if we want 1, 2 here, we want 3 waves toward the upside, right? 3 waves toward the upside. Here is the answer, the real answer, guys. 3 waves toward the upside. How can I get it? If this is your A, obviously this is an impulse or diagonal. 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What should I do with this wave 4, 5? Which it has interfered also here, right? What can I do with it? If I want to be ABC for a wave 2, I need to stop my counting here, right? In that case scenario, okay, I stop my counting here. I am 1, 2, right? Then suddenly I start lower and then go higher. That means you are expanding flat, A, B, and a C. And here come the answers. Okay, let's say this is ABC. And this is also ABC. Okay, but this is an impulse here, right? So what if this is also a zigzag ABC? Let's go inside it. If we see here, we can see 5 ways up for a B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have finished your wave A. A, B, and a C, you have finished your wave V corrective. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Sorry, 4 and a 5. Your wave 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Diagonal, ending diagonal. Perfect for a zigzag. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have A, B, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Perfect zigzag. So what do you think about this here? How it ended? You have a zigzag finishing here exactly, and you have another zigzag and finishing and expanding flat. What's the first thing you think about it? W, X, Y. Corrective, impulsive. Therefore, you got your answer, MG. I hope that this was convincing enough for to tell you what are we going from here. Definitely, it should be impulsive, right? Because there is no way to count 1, 2, 1, 2 actually. And if you look, by the way, here inside this wave, so let's give you more evidence, by the way. If you look inside this wave here, if you look, we have 1, 2, right? And then let's consider this is your 1, another 1, 2, okay? Then 3, then 4, 5. Where is your second 4, 5? There is no second 4, 5, right? Because you have 1, 2, 1, 2, and then okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is still missing waves. All right, it cannot be a finished impulse. This is a problem. The only way, if you want to consider this, is a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the only way. However, why it is even low possibility that this is a finished, I mean, it can be, of course, because it is already a wave C, right, for an ABC. However, what is not really nice in this impulse and this diagonal is that you started in impulse, then you have zigzag, then you have here, let's say, okay, yeah, zigzag again, right? Because you cannot count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your wave 3 is very short than your wave 1 and your wave 5. Therefore, you cannot call a wave 3 inside it. Yeah, so this is a problem. And yeah, so you have to consider it again zigzag, maybe by zigzag and zigzag, another zigzag, and finishing also as a zigzag. So this might be your finished diagonal. However, what do you do with this again? This is a question. Okay, therefore you have to rely this one, A, B, and a C to it, and finishing as WXY. So here is your answer for your question. And of course, as I said, everything could be possible. However, as I said as well in the last video, we need a retracement. It's not healthy, of course, to go just upside. That's crazy. Okay, so we need some retracement and then move towards the upside again. And by the way, I was preparing for the deep analysis for tomorrow, so I have revised a lot of the scenarios. And we are really good, guys. We are in a good path. Don't worry. the possibility of bearish scenario are very, very low. However, I'm gonna keep the possibilities for tomorrow, of course, for the deep analysis. And by the way, this weekend I will not be available, only until tomorrow. I will be just for the deep analysis. I'm gonna upload the deep analysis, and of course, yeah, I have some celebration with the family in another state, of course. So I am traveling just for a few days until Monday morning. I will be back, of course. So yeah, basically we're gonna be ranging the weekend, and there is no so much to give. However, if there is something, I'm gonna keep an eye. I'm gonna have my laptop, of course. I'm gonna try my best, of course, to give at least an analysis for Bitcoin on Sunday and on Monday morning probably. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope that I answered the question. If we are a 1-2-1-2 here, the possibility is very, very low. Again, it is a possibility, but it is very low because of what I have explained. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment. Don't forget to press the like button, please. That would be really helpful, and it means a lot for me. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.